So here we have the Hyundai IX20 on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car to run through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the top, we have the total miles of the car, which is 17,142. We have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauge there as well. In the middle of which, you can see that this car is currently in park. It's an automatic gearbox in this car. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls, and on the right-hand side, the stereo controls continue, along with trip computer control just at the bottom there. So pressing that button will enable you to change the information displayed in that central screen area. Over in the centre, we have the stereo for the car. So you'll see we have a CD player. If you want to listen to your own music, you press this button just here. CD player is one of the things that you can listen to your music on. We also have auxiliary and USB inputs as well. And the radio, of course. So this car has got FM and AM radio available to you. To pair your phone, hit this button and then use the numbers that correspond with what you want to do. We're going to cancel and not pair a phone at the moment. We have the main volume for the stereo. Below that, we have the air conditioning. So you can determine the fan speed and the temperature. This button turns your air conditioning off. Back on again, you can see there's a blue light there indicating that it's turned on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. And you can determine the direction of the air down the bottom just here. Underneath that section, we have a 12-volt charging socket, the auxiliary and USB inputs, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.